Okie dokie, I got a brand new iPhone cord over here by the bed. When I go to sleep at night, I gave my mom the other one because her cord died on her iPhone 7. So I gave her the cord to mine. And I got this one. So now I'm going to plug this up over here by the bed, and that's going to be it. Pretty long. It's about 10 foot long. Cord goes all the way down. So yeah. And that's the USB-C, that's the part that goes into the adapter. And then the other end goes into the phone. Got an out of focus freak show, but whatever, I'm gonna do the video anyway. There we go. Okay, that's what it looks like. All right, here we go. Bit of a freak show, but of course, it wouldn't be a video without a freak show. Well, this is the most exciting video. Pretty sure all of you can agree to that because, well, it's not a fan video, so why would I be excited? It's not a fan video. I want to see a fan video. Why are you doing content of all this other stuff? What about fans? Well, I'm done with fans altogether. I do have the collection. You just have to wait until I upload a fan video. As far as unboxing them and getting them, unfortunately, you're not going to see that no more. So I'm starting to do different unboxings and just do different content. And you're going to have to get used to it. So either you're going to get used to it, stay on the channel, or I'm not asking you to stay. You can just leave. So ain't nobody forcing you to stay on the channel. If you don't like what I'm doing now, because, well, it's not a fan video. So why am I watching the channel if it's not a fan video? Well, then leave. I'm not making you stay. But if you stay on the channel, this is what you're going to start to see, along with fan videos from the permanent collection. If you fixated on just saying, I want to see unboxings of new things, well, that's not going to happen over. And that's over and done with. So you need to get over it. All right? This is what you're going to start seeing, stuff like this. You don't like it, you don't have to watch it. Just wait until I put out a fan video. Don't be rude in the comments, or you're going to get blocked. Lamont, and out.